I'm Joseph Carley. I'm an additive engineer at ADDMAN here in our Fort Myers location. What is reverse engineering? That's the question I'm going to be talking about today. In a nutshell, reverse engineering is the process of going backwards from a physical object to create a CAD file of that object. Why would you want to reverse engineer a part? There's a lot of different reasons. A common one is for older parts where the original CAD files or drawings are no longer available. So think aerospace or car parts or other types of machines and vehicles from 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, where the files and the paperwork to make that are either incomplete or non-existent. Another reason would be for works of art or things that were never actually made with a CAD file, but you want to be able to reproduce as needed. So to reverse engineer a part at ADDMAN, the first step we typically take is to 3D scan it. 3D scanning is just what it sounds like, scanning of a part in 3D. So it's a lot like taking a video really slowly from all directions. And what that'll do is it'll capture all this data as points of what the object looks like in 3D. And the end result will be a point cloud. So it'll clean up some of the mess, and then you'll have this one point cloud. That alone is not enough to go and produce that part, because you can't give a 3D printer or a CNC a point cloud. It's too vague. It's not defined enough. So that's where the real engineering part of the process comes in. And here at ADDMAN, we use a software called GeoMagic, and it's going to look a lot like normal CAD design, drawing sketches, doing extrudes. But there's a lot of smart tools integrated with the software that allow you to reference and build based off of that point cloud data you have. And then in the end, you're going to have a CAD file, and that's what you're going to send to your customer.